friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. So it's been quite some time since I uploaded some videos in my YouTube channel. It's mainly because I really wanted to focus on my own trades for the past 1 month. So I started from August first week till September 18th. Totally have taken 30 trades, and all my 30 trades were profitable. Not even one stop loss hit. So this is my personal best track record. I've had better profits in the past, but in terms of accuracy, this is the best. And all my setups were 1:2, 1:3 risk reward setups. So this is really good in terms of both accuracy and the risk reward. So I'm going to go through a few trades which I've made in the past one and a half months, and surprisingly, exactly 3 years back in the month of September 2017, every trade that I took in the month of September 2017 ended up in losses. That's mainly because I was following a bullshit strategies, like strategies that didn't even make sense. And it has been a great learning curve for me, and for the past 1.5 years I've been profitable. But to get this accuracy, this was a really good. Again, I have to accept the fact that the market has been quite easy for the past 1.5 months, because even the mid cap stocks were trending, right? Mid cap and the small cap. So out of the 30 trades, some of the trades were also from the Nifty 300. I mean, after Nifty 200. So basically, I traded, like, let's say 10 stocks from mid cap. So that helped me in the accuracy and also in earning. Okay, so if anyone is feeling that okay, you are not able to make consistent money, just make sure to learn it the right way. That is very important. If you learn the right strategy, just focus on it. It's going to take like what, 6 months to 1 year. That's the maximum. But yes, don't think that you can learn a strategy in a week and start making money in next couple of weeks. Even if Rakesh Jhunjhunwala teaches you his strategy, you won't make money, that's for sure. Everything takes time. So this is what I learned. Friends, welcome again. So this is the first trade, which is Pidilite. My entry was here exactly at 1326. You might ask me, why do you enter? Because there is a major level which has been broken, right? And there is also a strong downside. First thing, I don't use support and resistance much. I like to stick with triangle and channel pattern, and also a bit of candlesticks. These three are the only thing that I follow. It's not that I don't follow support and resistance, but I focus more on channel and triangle. Okay, so when I looked at this Pidilite in daily time frame, of course I didn't see any pattern, and that is why I do multi time frame analysis. I went into 1 hour time frame, and I found this. Okay, at the bottom there was a good support, and this is the pattern at the top. Okay, so what happened? The stock has been getting multiple support, correct, at the bottom. So this is like fifth time, and apart from that, there is one more confirmation here, and additionally to this, I see a good a buying pressure. Look at these wicks. So each and every candle tells you information, and it is your duty to interpret that data. So if you focus more on candlesticks than indicators, there would be more successful traders. So 1326 is my entry. This is where I entered. Okay, right after the close of this candle I entered, and where is my exit? I'll just stick with 1 hour time frame. And what happened, I just stick to my trade for a long time. So I entered here right on August 20, and I also waited for the breakout, which happened after a long time. I mean, after a couple of probably yeah, almost a week. And my entry was here and the exit is, so I anticipated here. I see a channel pattern, right, in 1 hour time frame. So here I anticipated a breakout. So I thought there would be a breakout from here, and I'll just wait for, carry on the trade for some more time and then book the profit. But unfortunately, it doesn't work as per our wish, right? I had to close the trade here exactly 11458, I guess, exactly here. Okay, so this is the best entry as per my analysis. And the exit, you could not have a better entry and exit for this. Okay, and this is one trade, and the other trade is Rosary Biotech. Okay, I'll just delete this. It's a very simple trade, guys. This is the channel pattern, right? The stock has been getting three resistance at the top, and 1 2 3 4, almost 5 times. This is the fifth time it is getting a support, right? So I was quite skeptical on this trade, but these wicks tells me that there is a huge buying pressure right across this area. So this is where I entered, this is where my stop loss is, and this is where I exited. I think it is 1519 or something. I remember looking at this wick, I exited the stock, and the next day it just fell. So not a great exit, but still it is far better. Okay, my entry is here. This is where my entry. I really didn't expect it to meet the target on the same day. I thought it would reach the channel, top of the channel, probably in a week or so. I never thought it would reach in just one day. I think this is the only trade which I closed on the same day. And so yeah, I mean, the reason why I was skeptical about this is because there is very limited data. I cannot look at Rosary and see how it has behaved in the past, right? I just have a limited data, and still look at the beauty of the technicals and the price action pattern. Even though it is very limited data, it worked beautifully, right? So look for setups that are very low in risk, and be it swing trading or intraday. In fact, in Pidilite, if you look at it, I forgot to mention you. I just came across this. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes. Look at this beauty. Let's just go to 1 hour time frame so that it's more easier for you to look at these wicks. Every time, this is a simple move. Probably after 3 times you could have taken this trade. Look at this move, right? Could have taken, look, the moment you see a wick, you should be ready to get into this trade, and put your stop loss below this. And look at this, 1:, almost 3. I think it gave 3. Yeah, so this is again, there is a support. Look at this. So once you start reading the naked charts, you will be able to get setups that are low in risk. Okay, our primary goal is to enter trades that are low in risk. Okay, I'm not going to buy at the top. So yeah, these are the 2 trades. In case if you're asking me, Rajan, why are you just teaching 2 trades? It's going to take more time, right? So for that, for people who are interested in learning all my trades, you can join my community. You can learn from my course. I have uploaded the video explaining all my trades with my ledger report in my course. I'm sure you will learn more knowledge in terms of price action. I'm sure you will learn different concepts in price action, and we have a very strong price action trading community. If you are interested, if you like my style, you can definitely consider joining this. I have been uploading many YouTube videos. I will continue to do so.
probably if you earn from my YouTube videos just like others, you can definitely consider joining it. So that would be all. And also there is a offer going on. You can just visit my website justfortraders.in and you can just enroll it. Okay. If you have any doubts in these two particular trades, please let me know. Let me see how long this green streak goes on for me.
So the two things that I learned from achieving 100% accuracy is that to cut out the noise. It makes a drastic difference. Do not tell your position to anyone, and also do not listen to anyone saying about the market condition. So don't care if the Nasdaq or the S&P 500 crashed. Don't care about anyone who says about this stock. So just stick with your stop loss, just enter at the right time and exit at the right time. I'm sure you will be able to figure it out. Okay. And the second thing is following risk management and position sizing. I have said this many times, but last 1.5 months my position sizing has been vastly improved. Back then when I trade in future, I used to do 2 lots or 3 lots whenever I feel little confident about some particular trade. Although it went profitable, but that's not the right way to do it. No matter what, you are supposed to allocate only as per the rule that you have devised for your trading setup. So position sizing and risk management has been a major key for me. You might have a question that is it really possible to make 100% accuracy every month? Not at all. In the month of July, my accuracy was 68 to 70%, and I still made money because of the risk reward setups. The past 2 months have been good, and my accuracy has been 100%. And I don't know what's in store for me in the future. So whenever the market gives you opportunity, you just have to go for it. And I might even make an accuracy of what 60% next month. But it's my duty to give the best as per the market conditions. If any of your traders are struggling to make money in stock market, please share this video with them. I'm sure this will act as a motivation, because even for me, I struggled and I thought of giving up at one time, but I just thought I would give some more time, and I was able to make consistent money. So make sure to like this video, share this with your friends, and also let me know in the comments if you have any doubts. Thank you so much.